Welcome! I made this bread at home using a chickpea starter. Now I'm going to share the detailed chickpea starter recipe with you. We heat our water first. It should be warm, not hot, warm enough that it doesn't burn your hand. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell, my dear friends. We take it off before it boils. I lightly crush some of the chickpeas and place them into a 1-liter jar. I pour the warm water into the jar. The water should be warm enough to lightly sting your finger, but not burn it.
I add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of sugar.
As I mentioned, it should not be boiling. I close the jar, wrap it well, and place it somewhere warm. Then I let it rest for 24 hours. "24 hours have passed and the chickpeas are foamy. This is a good sign. Now I strain the chickpea water and pour it into the flour. I had added 5 cups of flour. Now I add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of sugar. I knead the dough. Then cover it and let it rest. My dough has risen like this after 5 hours. Now I'm feeding the starter with 5 cups of flour and preparing my pre-starter. I wasn't able to film this part. My pre-starter is ready now. It has risen beautifully, and it's ready for making bread. Now I'm preparing my dough to make the bread. My dough has fermented for 4 hours, and it looks really beautiful.
Şunu verelim. Hemen.
Thank you for watching my video. I wish you all healthy days.